Update on a rape arrest in Fort Lauderdale. The suspect is a registered sex offender and he remains in jail. And today we're learning more about where he was at the time of the attack. Local 10's Carlos Suarez is live in Fort Lauderdale with that new information. Carlos.
The 41-year-old said that he lives where he works. It's a piece of information that we found in state records dating back to 2013. And it's where we found the car that police said he used the night of the rape, a car that we did not find as part of his sexual offender record. As a registered sex offender, 41-year-old James Hodge would have been required by law to check in with the sheriff's office between 2 to 4 times a year. He would have reported to the county courthouse where he would have confirmed personal information, including where he lives, works, and the car he drives. Hodge's next check-in with BSO would have been in November, around his birthday.
With his past history, I believe that he does pose a danger to the community.
Instead, Hodge is in jail on charges he violently raped a woman earlier this month.
This is a fairly serious probable cause affidavit, and the crime laboratory analysis is also fairly serious.
The address listed on Hodge's arrest form comes back to an auto repair shop in Fort Lauderdale, the same place his court-appointed attorney told the judge is where Hodge has worked the past 5 years. And it's where a woman on Thursday asked us to leave.
You need to leave my property and take your cameras with you. I have nothing to do with it. Go. Bye, 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 bye.
Back in July, more than 24 sex offenders and predators were arrested for failing to check in with authorities or lying about where they lived. And a local 10 News investigation found a dozen offenders believed to be homeless using area businesses, including a Walmart, as their listed address. The move, while legal, raised questions about being able to track them.
They pick an area that the ordinance allows them to register and live in, but obviously they weren't staying there.
All right, it is important to note here that we haven't been able to confirm whether or not Hodge lived at that address where he worked at. Detectives were there on Thursday and they were questioning a woman at that business. As for Hodges, he remains in jail. He's being held on $750,000 bond on 3 counts of sexual assault. We're live outside the Broward County Courthouse in Fort Lauderdale. I'm Carlos Suarez, Local 10 News.